I tweeted this and it wound up being selected, so I quickly pulled together some slides from Passionate Product Ownership, a Certified Scrum Product Owner course, and then a Weather Channel Lean UX case study. And what is continuous discovery? Well, it's not a phase. It actually wraps the delivery cycle. And as we are learning information and starting to break down that work to go out and discover, learn what really we need to deliver. Continuous discovery is looking to answer these 4 questions. And really, at the essence of it is, will people use this? Do they want it? Can they use it? Can we build it? Will stakeholders support? And this is a product manager, front end, keep going. It pushes decisions down as well. I was talking to David when they started a continuous discovery approach. Why are you doing this? He says, I have 1 innovation group and 200 developers. And it's really too much to ask of any one person, product manager or a stakeholder or even your customer, to figure out the answer to all those 4 questions, especially if it's something that we need to be doing all of the time. So we look to embed a core discovery team on the development team that can answer those questions and find that sweet spot between what people want, what's valuable, can they use it, is it usable, and can we build it given the time and materials and resources at hand. Continuous discovery expands and contracts. Good collaboration, we need conflict, we need some sort of divergence, and so we explore these ideas in a no judgment way and then refine and validate by testing them in the marketplace. It's design thinking. It is actually a double expand and contract to focus, frame on the problem, ideate through all the different types of problems we have, and then concentrate on a solution, expanding again into all of the ideas. Design thinking and design, well, it does include designers, but it's really a full contact sport. It's team collaboration over organizational consensus. It's not something you do, it's a process that is facilitated. And designing by committee is different than designing by community. And really, if you took those 2 expand, contract pictures and folded them together, so what we're talking about, a wicked problem has the problem and the solution interacting with each other. So we need very fast feedback loops. It is constantly in connection with the user, finding empathy with the user, understanding what their pain point truly is, and starting to walk a mile in their shoes. And in targeting that user behavior, we're focusing on changing their behavior. Those are the kinds of outcomes that we want to look for in continuous discovery so that we really shorten the lead time and we shorten the investment needed to develop anything. And we're constantly in interaction with the user, so we're looking at the experience from their point of view as well, as we're describing both the problem and the solution, as we're coming up and mapping out a way to deliver the solution. While there is a core discovery team, it is meant to be broadcast across the whole team getting out of the building. This is a developer and a scrum master doing a user intercept interview at a coffee shop. A different team at a coffee shop, and in between each one of their interviews, they had a field test prototype based on what they would learn. They'd change the prototype right then and there. So they could iterate through this several times a day. And it really allows to find the best solution in the shortest amount of time. At demo as well for the mobile team, they have a web TV set up on a local Wi-Fi so that somebody can be on their phone and the whole team can see. And each step of this progression, they would get out of the building and talk to people. So even that whiteboard sketch, they were taking out and showing people and iterating and refining along the whole way. Going out and talking to people at least 3 times a week, both in intercept mode and in different focus groups, as well as quantitatively looking at things through tracking in the software itself. And continuous discovery is very visible. So even at a review or a demo time, besides just looking at the working software, you can look at the results of your learning. This is CTO, Director of User Experience with a team going through that. And it's meant to really balance the development. So if you are thinking of using continuous discovery and you're pulling an item in, think about those 4 questions and what you need to learn, and you can task that stuff out just as much as you can delivery. Thank you.